Yo, what's up? This is your message from the stairwell. Listen, I think I started thinking, whoa, whoa, God bless me. Wait, oh, wait, I was about to delete this, but this is funny, bro. For those of you that have allergies and sinuses, bro, like, they just be, like, I just don't understand. I done took all the medicine in the world and I'm still dealing with this. Well, that's y'all message. Keep sneezing, take your medicine, take your allergy medicine, etc., etc. Man, that's the real. That's the real. Dear future wife, that's the real right there. This snorting and crap that's happening all of a sudden, that's the real. Okay? You want to be my friend and all that stuff, this is the real right here, bro.